Guys, this is an emergency meeting because Shopify has just increased the prices of their subscriptions by 35%. Before, the basic plan was $29 and right now it's gonna be $39 per month. The Shopify plan and also the advanced plan are also seeing an increase. One of my stores is actually on the advanced plan and it's seeing an increase of $100 per month. This is a crazy increase in my opinion, but they have an excuse. Let's check it out. The economic climate in 2023 has changed significantly. Rising costs and inflation require us to invest more than ever to deliver a best-in-class product and experience to our merchants and their customers. Although Shopify product has improved significantly, our plan pricing has remained largely unchanged for the last 12 years. This is not a decision we take lightly. Inflation, right? Yes, it is true that they have to pay their programmers a little bit more because the salaries have increased. The food in their food courts is a little bit more expensive, but man, 35%, that's rough, man. I think $400 per month for the advanced plan is not worth it for me. Like, the only reason that I am on the advanced plan is because of the 2.4% transaction fees. Because the basic plan has pretty much everything. It's just that the transaction fees are 2.9%, which is standard in the industry, right? But on the advanced, you get a little bit cheaper transaction rates. And when you have a certain volume of orders, it becomes cheaper to be on the advanced plan than on the basic plan, paying the higher rates. But now that it increased $100, I was right there almost on the limit, so I think I'm just gonna downgrade to the Shopify plan, and because it's still 2.6%. And I think I'm going to be better off because I'm not paying $400 per month with the volume that I have right now. However, what about the basic plan for $39? Now, most of my stores are on the basic plan, and $39 per month, honestly, I think it is still pretty good price. Because the amount of value that you get with Shopify, like no other platform has the same. I'm not gonna go and move my stores to Wix or to Squarespace because honestly, Shopify is years ahead of all of the other platforms with their integrations, their ease of use, their free tools, and also the huge catalog of apps that they offer. There's nothing in the market, in my opinion, compared to Shopify right now. So $39 per month, yes, it is $10 more expensive than it was yesterday, but I still think it's a pretty good deal. Just think about this. Some apps, like for example, Klaviyo, they charge $400 per month, and it's just an email platform, right? Shopify has an email platform integrated in it, and it has, all the e-commerce functionalities, and it's $39. There are apps that charge you between $50 to $600 just to have a reward program on your website. Now, think of the amount of time that it took to make this app, the amount of man hours. I think $50 per month, the minimum, I think that's super expensive. Because Shopify, it took way longer than that, and they are charging you $40. So, when you compare it to other SaaS services, I think Shopify is cheap. This doesn't mean that I'm not displeased with this price increase. It actually affects me a lot. But, seeing everything in perspective, I think $40 per month for this platform is still fine. Now, for people that are already subscribed to Shopify, these changes won't take effect until April. So you have 3 months at the $29 and then it's gonna increase. And for new people that are starting a Shopify store, they are offering 3 months for only $1 per month. And the link to that deal is in the description. So I will be still rocking the Shopify hoodie because I'm still a little bit of a fanboy. But man, I'm a little bit displeased by this. Very displeased. But I understand. Thank you. I'm out.